Let's see how to make use of the chatbot contacts and analytics dashboard over here. So here I'm in a demo icon, and as you can see here, I'm in the analytics tab over here, and here you can actually find all the connected channels. So in this account we have connected all the channels right here. So here we actually support 8 channels including Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, voice, SMS, even web chat as well. So here you can find all the contacts on your account and new contacts. So new contacts in the last 7 days, and here you can even find the response time of your agents, and also it also tracks the first response time as well. And here it shows the all contacts over here from because we selected 7 days over here, so that's why it shows for the last 7 days. So if I choose like last 30 days, you will find the contact data from the last 30 days over here. So it's actually showing from October 16th over here, and here you can also show you can also check the new contacts. So new contacts mean who are the people actually messaging you on all these channels on a daily basis. For example, on November 11th we actually received 5 new contacts, so that means 5 people have actually messaged you from one of these channels right here. And here you can also find the response time over here based on the first response time versus the response time as well. And here you can also track the response time of the admins as well. For example, if you add multiple admins, here you can actually check their response time in minutes. And here you have the detailed statistics related to the admins over here. For example, here you have these admins in your account, and for example this particular agent has sent 14 messages and for the 7 contacts over here. So here if you choose a different time frame over here, for example let me choose like last 7 days, here you can find different statistics over here. So this 8 messages sent for the 3 contacts. So likewise you can easily change the time frame right here and check for different sort of analytics right here. And here you can track the messages sent by the bot right here, and here you can also compare the messages sent by the human versus bot as well. So here you can easily compare the message proportions over here, and here you can also track the conversation moved to the human to bot as well. So here in blue color this shows the number of conversation moved to the human, and if it is dark pink it shows the conversation moved to the bot as well. And here unique conversation by the admins, and here this particular graph shows the contacts by channel as well. So here you can actually connect multiple channels over here. So this particular contact or the analytics right here will show which of the channel is famous among your contacts over here. For example, in this particular account, demo account, 74 new contacts actually created from the web chat, and 10 from Instagram, 5 from Facebook page. And likewise you can actually check for the SMS, voice, WhatsApp as well. And here you can also check for the new contacts by date, and here you can check other analytics related to the conversation, such as follow-up conversation, archive conversation, blocked, and also the contacts by the country as well. So here let me actually open the contacts tab over here, and here this is the contacts tab including all the contacts right here. So here in this particular account we have altogether 94 contacts for the lifetime, and here you can easily track the contacts over here. For example, if you see this globe icon, that means this particular contact is from the web chat, because when they actually chat for the first time you don't know their name or the email or those kind of things, but you can also collect those details as well. But here you can find this icon by this particular globe over here, and here this call icon, that means they actually contact you through this particular voice number connected right here. And if you see the messenger icon, that means they actually contact you through the Facebook page. And if you see the WhatsApp symbol, so they actually contact you through the WhatsApp. So likewise you can easily track contacts from different channels as well, and here you can also easily assign the conversation to each of these admins as well through the contacts page, or you can also build automations to automatically assign at any part of the conversation as well. And here you can easily filter these contacts as well. For example, if you want to see who are the contacts from the messenger, so let me choose current channel is messenger. So here it simply shows the contacts who actually initiate the chat on the messenger. And another thing is that you can easily select all these contacts right here by clicking on here, and you can actually add specific tag or even assign this particular conversation, all these messenger conversation, to your specific team member, or you can actually create inbox teams and assign conversation to those people as well. So here there is tons of possibilities over here. So let me actually remove this filter over here, and here we have these 94 contacts over here. So here you have other actions as well. For example, you can actually import contacts from your existing customer list, and here you can actually send them specific broadcast messages through email, SMS, or through the WhatsApp template messages as well. And here you have other options as well. For example, let me actually choose all contacts over here so that we can do other actions as well. For example, you can set specific custom field for them, and here you can also transfer their so here you can also import contacts from your existing customer list and send them specific broadcast using SMS, WhatsApp, or email as well. So when they actually reply, you can actually use AI to handle those conversations as well. So the possibilities are endless right here, and you can even export these contacts to some other CRM system as well. So for example, here I choose all these 94 contacts, and here you have the option to export the data as well. So if you click on export data, you can simply choose whatever the fields you want to export. For by default, it will get their first name, last name, full name, email, and phone number. So let's say you collect some other details as well. For example, if I type credit score, so for example, you can easily export these details as well when you actually export these contacts. So it will be actually exported as a CSV file. What you can do is you can simply upload those data to some other external systems as well. And another thing is that you can also automatically export each of the data or each of the contacts you received within our platform to external systems or CRMs using Make, Zapier, or our direct API as well. For example, if you click on this particular contact, it will take you directly to the inbox where you can actually initiate the chat right here. For example, it simply opened that particular contact. So from here it says web chat because this is from the web chat, and from there an agent can send messages, they can book appointments, they can send products, and they can even use any sort of saved replies as well, and they can even add specific notes as well. For example, let me just add the note over here, and next time when an other agent check this particular chat, they can easily check these notes and respond accordingly as well. For example, if an agent want to follow up with this customer later down the line, they can simply mark this conversation as follow up, and here when they come back again, you can simply filter this conversation by follow up as well. For example, this contact will be shown right here, and after you send any sort of messages, you can actually unmark this one as follow up as well. So there is a tons of possibilities right here, and that's a quick video on how you can make use of the chatbot contacts and analytics. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.